Hello students, our next chapter is chapter 14, Igniting Souls. Try and fail, but don't fail to try. Rejection should make no sense at all if you believe in yourself. Okay, in this we are going to see some very uh, you can say legendary souls about there, and they said that try and fail. We should try. अगर हम एक if we fail, then it's not necessary that we don't try also. Okay, so keep trying and trying when you get success. This is the quote. One quote is that try until you success. जब तक success नहीं मिलती, you should try in each and everything. Okay, let's start. The first one is, yes, he is a president of US, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American politician. He was the 16th president of the United States. He was the president from 1861 to 1865 during the American Civil War. Lincoln has been remembered as the great emancipator because he worked to end slavery in the United States. Abraham Lincoln's two business ventures failed. He lost 8 different elections, had a complete nervous breakdown before becoming president of the US in 1860. Next, he is a famous novel writer or story writer, you can say, Stephen King. Stephen King, in full, Stephen Edwin King, American novelist and the short story writer whose books were credited with reviving the genre of horror fiction in the late 20th century. King graduated from the University of Maine in 1970 with a bachelor's degree in English. A famous writer, Stephen King, whose first novel was rejected everywhere. In dismay, he threw it in the garbage. His wife inspired him again and again, and he picked up the story and went to another publication. Next, the next famous personality is Soichiro Honda. Soichiro Honda was a Japanese engineer and industrialist too. In 1948, he established Honda Motor Company Limited and oversaw its expansion from a wooden shack manufacturing bicycle motors to a multinational automobile and motorcycle manufacturer. He ran from pillar to post in search of a job. He went to Toyota company. He was rejected there and told that he was not fit for the job. He didn't give up. He created his own automobile company that competes with Toyota. Next is Amitan. Amitan is an American author known for the novel The Joy Luck Club, which was adapted into a film of the same name in 1993 by the director Wayne Wang. Amitan was a manager in account management. She did for years, but she wanted to be creative and writer. She was fired from her job. She sometimes worked 90 hours a week, later became America's best-selling author. The Joy Luck Club, The Kitchen God's Wife, The 100 Secret Senses are a few of her books. Next is Steven Spielberg. Next is, yes, he is a Steven Spielberg. Steven Spielberg, in a full you can say Steven Allen Spielberg, American motion picture director and the producer whose diverse films, which range from the science fiction fare including such classics as Close Encounters to the Third Kind and E.T. the Extraterrestrial in 1982. He was no scholar, rather took a drop when his parents persuaded him to return to school. He was admitted to learn disabled class, later graduated and followed his dream of a filmmaking. Later in a life made Jaws, which take in $470 meter. And the last Last one is Ben Saunders. Ben Saunders is a record breaking polar explorer, a TED master, storyteller, and an advocate for future pioneers. Ben is the third person in history to ski solo to the North and the South Poles and holds the record for the longest solo Arctic journey by Britain. As a school-going child, he was poggy, shy, the last kid in his class to be picked up for any sport and was the butt of jokes and ridicule. He later became a proficient skier and the youngest person to ski solo to North Pole. So in this chapter, you might be learned that never be hope. Never give up. Okay, try until you get succeed and try your best. It's not necessary that in once trial you get the success. Okay, you must be try twice thrice. Okay, then you will get success. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.